All right. So then I will go for the exam scope. We have 5 exam scope here. The first 3 is about the equation of the circle, then the intersection of the circle, number 4, and then number 5 will be your tangent normal to the circle. Then we go for the exam scope number 1, where finding the equation of the circle, the situation give us is passing 2 points. So this passing 2 points and this passing 2 point is different. This passing 2 point is directly to the center because it said that is diameter. So when this question doesn't say the 2 point is diameter, means they're passing in randomly. So the point will be randomly, it will not be the diameter. So you cannot assume this 2 point is diameter if the question didn't write at there. Okay, so the question will be sound like passing 2 points, you can see, and having a center on a line. All right, so if I want to draw it, to illustrate it clearly, I want to understand this question. So means that this is my circle, I have a center, then it will passing 2 points, so randomly passing 2 points, A, 0, 6, and then maybe here, B, 2, 2. Okay, it will not form my diameter unless the question says this 2 point is our diameter. Therefore, then I will draw back like the simple question in this question 4C. Another information here that give us will be the center is on the line. Okay, so the center is coming in the line. So this line will be y plus 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Center, HK, we don't know. Radius, we don't know. So we have 2 things that we don't know. Means that you have to form your simultaneous equation in 2 equations. So the concept here, we want to build up these 2 simultaneous equations. We'll be using the concept of radius. Because I can see from here, this point and this point are building up 1 radius. This point and this point will building up another radius. So from the first equation I must have will be R1 have to be equals to R2. They must have same value, what? Because circles in all directions, the radius will be same. Okay, so from this radius concept, I can build out the equation. So how to build out this concept of radius? So I need to recall back the SPM basic where I need to find the distance between 2 points. So how to find distance between 2 points? It will be x minus x2 square, then y1 minus y2 square. So for the radius number 1, I will do in square root. I will take the h unknown. This as my first point. This is my second point. Okay, assume this is my first point. This is our second point. So I will take h minus 0 square plus k minus h square equals to, so that will be our formula of first radius. Then our second radius will be the h minus 2 square plus k minus 2 square. So this is our first equation. When we have square root both sides, I can square both sides. When I square both sides, means this one can be simplified, correct? Okay, then I square inside here. This will giving me h square. This will giving me k expand minus 12k plus 36. So same as here, expand the h minus 2 square. Then expand the k minus 2 square. Alright, so we simplify our equations. Okay, so what happens if I h going to the left hand side, the h will be cancelled out. When the k going to the left hand side, they will be simplified out. So my equation here, in the simplest way, it will be equals to 4h. Okay, so this one done. This 4k to the left hand side will be plus 4, will be negative 8k. Then how about the constant 36 minus 4 minus 4, so it will become 28 only. So this is my equation. I can simplify it some more. I will divide it by 4, so h minus 2k equals to negative 7. So this is my first equation. So how about the second equation I can find? They said this point, you can notice that this point is on this line. So When the point is on the line, means that the point can be fulfilled in the equation of the line. It can be substituted inside the equation where y is your k and x is your h minus 1 equals to 0. Then I rearrange negative 2h plus k equals to 1. This is my second equation. So now my job is going to solve these two simultaneous in order to get my h and k. Then I managed to get my center. Once I get the center, everything will be easy because I can put back the value hk to find my radius, either one. So how do I solve this simultaneous? I times the equation number 1 by 2 so that I can do by elimination method to get the unknown h and k. So this is my latest equation 1. So since they have same, right, 2h, I solve this by 2 minus 1 so that the 2h will be eliminated. K minus negative 4, so it will be plus. And then 1 minus negative 14, negative will be plus. So finally I get my k coordinate. So that is my center coordinate. So once I get the k coordinate, I can substitute to get my h coordinate. Okay, so I will sub back into 2. Then I will get 2h plus 3 equals to 1. H will equals to negative 1. Okay, so come up center. Where h is negative 1, k is 3. Okay, so I want to get radius using R1, where h is negative 1 minus 0 square. K is 3 minus 6 square, square root of 10. So therefore, the equation of the circle will be x. So x negative 1 will become x plus 1 square. Y equals to 3, so y minus 3 square. When radius square, square root square will become 10. So that's our equation of the circle in standard form.